Good morning, children. I am Reena, teacher. We'll be taking your GK, the fifth chapter, which is on page number 18. It's about plants and animals, and we are going to do that is about man's best friend. Who is man's best friend? So here we are going to do about the breed of dogs. Okay, there are different breed of dogs, and every breed of dogs will have their different characteristics. Okay, so we are going to see according to their characteristics they are being named up. Okay, so we'll see. So in your textbook you can see that the sentence that is given to you and the bold letter that is there in the sentence, it's been put incorrect. Okay, so you have to put the right word out there. Okay, so you just have to underline that word. You just have to underline that word and write the correct name of the breed there. Okay. Sorry. The first one here you can see it is written the Saint Bernard is one of the dogs used as a guide dog for the blind. So it is not Saint Bernard, it is the Labrador dog is one of the dogs that is used as a guide dog for the blind. So please note down in Saint Bernard you underline it, no need to cut it. You can underline or circle that, and instead of that you have to write there Labrador. The second one that is there, it is written in your textbook, the Labrador runs so fast that it even races on a track. So it is not Labrador dog, it is the Greyhound. That dog runs so fast and it even races on the track. So you can circle that Labrador there and write Greyhound. Sorry. The next one is the Newfoundland is a wild dog of Australia. So the wild dog of Australia is not the Newfoundland, but it is the dingo dog. Okay, so you underline or circle it and write there the dingo dog. The next one is the here in your textbook it is given to you the dhole is particularly good at rescuing humans from drowning. Okay, so when anybody drowns in water, so these dogs they are very good at help pulling them out from the water. Sorry, we are the next. Sorry. This is the fourth one. Okay, sorry. The dingo is used for rescue mission in the Alps. Okay, that is what it is written here. So it is not dingo, it is Saint Bernard that rescues the people, those who go for mission, for mount climbing and all that. So for that, this Saint Bernard is very good in rescuing those people from those Alps, that is from the mountains. The next one is in your textbook it is written the dhole is particularly good at rescuing humans from drowning. So it is not the dhole, but it is the Newfoundland that is very good at rescuing humans from drowning. So when anybody they are swimming or they don't know to swim and they drown, so they help them out. The next one is given to you is that the Greyhound, also known as the Indian wild dog, hunts large mammals in packs. So here it is not the Greyhound, but it is the dhole, which is an Indian wild dog, and they hunt these large mammals, and they can the face itself you can see that it looks like a fox, and they can attack animals in large number. Okay. the next one is the, in your textbook it is given to you that the bloodhound is a sheepdog used for herding sheep. So these dogs are kept so that they look after these sheep. Okay, so if anybody comes and attack, and also they are the one to guide the sheep. So it is not the bloodhound, but it is the collie. That is the breed. Collie breed is a breed which is a sheepdog, because why they look after those sheep. Then is the next one. The dash is the smallest breed of dog and is also the name of the largest state in Mexico. So in Mexico, the name of the largest state is Chihuahua, and we also have a breed of dog, and this breed of dog is very tiny in size. Okay, so you can see in the picture it's tiny, they don't grow much. So they are the smallest breed of dog. So it is Chihuahua. Okay. The next one is, you can see that it's a hound used by the police force to trace criminals. Okay, so you must have seen in many of the news, or in movies also you must have seen that how they go sniffing around with the police to get the smell of those criminals. So these breed of dogs are used so that the criminals can be traced. So it is not Chihuahua, but it is bloodhound breed of dog. Sorry. The next one is that the last one, which is the last one, it is a companion for game hunters and is trained to find and indicate the position of the game. So here it is, in your textbook it is given collie, but it is not collie, but it is a pointer. So pointer is like when the hunters take these dogs with them, so they are trained in such a way that they can tell the position of the pointer. Okay, they can say the position of the pointer, and they can mark it and tell the hunter that the position of the thing is now correct. Okay, so just mark all those things. So here we have done the page 18 of GK. See that you mark it and make the necessary correction. Thank you so much and have a nice day.